DTG or DTF? We got our boy Jeremy here from DTF Superstore, and you're saying you've made some direct-to-film prints that feel as soft as DTG?
Pretty close.
Okay, awesome. You think people will be able to tell the difference?
DTG is known for having that really soft hand feel, and DTF is traditionally known for having a kind of a plasticky feel. And I definitely think I've got a graphic here that's optimized that might fool a few people into thinking it was actually created with DTG.
Fantastic. You know, at All American, we're big fans of both practices, always looking to improve our methods. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the tips and tricks to make your direct-to-film prints feel as soft as possible.
And let's head out and see if we can trick a few people into thinking this is DTG.
It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. Misunderstood.
All right, so we're here with one of the DTF experts of the world. What advice would you give for people maybe just starting off with DTF as far as optimizing their artwork for better hand feel?
Sure. So the first thing and the biggest thing is doing some kind of color knockout to let the shirt show through. The thing with DTF is if you don't knock out some of the ink, it prints just a giant square of ink and it always feels bad. I don't care how great your printer is, it's always going to feel like a big plastic transfer. Another way we found with like really complex graphics is to use a half toning. That does a great job of transitioning, especially if you have like a graphic that's flames or smoke or something like that.
You know, with other digital printing methods, when you're going direct to substrate, it's kind of a different animal. Yeah. But with these tools that you mentioned, especially that half toning, very useful. And you know, the variable white, I know we were talking about a little bit before. So just a lot of tips and tricks to kind of work with your software. I mean, we're big fans of CAD-Link. I know you guys run that stuff as well.
Love CAD-Link. Okay. And on this particular shirt that we're testing with everyone, I brought the white underbase way down. Like shockingly low. I think I'm running about 30% white underbase on this. So it's just enough to give it some stretch and some durability, but takes away a lot of that thickness, because a lot of that thickness comes from the white underbase and the adhesive powder.
If you guys do have any questions on what we're doing as far as optimizing the artwork, DTF, DTG, let us know in the comment section down below. Jeremy, before we start trying to see who we can trick with our t-shirts here, what's your biggest surprise you've come across in trying to optimize your artwork for direct-to-film?
Well, I think because we do a lot of training and working with DTF producers, I think one of the reasons the industry or the DTF industry got a little bit of a bad rap early on is because it's a digital printing method. So you can literally take a photo, anything, and print it. So no one was optimizing the graphic. Exactly, just a big old sticker, a box of white. And I think once people start prepping graphics, this is where you'll see DTF really start to take off.
Fantastic, you heard it from the man. Think it's enough tips and tricks? I got my DTG, he's got his DTF. Let's go visit some attendees and see if they can tell which is which. You ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, what's going on, brother? Thanks so much for joining us here at ISS. For our audience at home, tell me your name, where you're from.
James Nicholas from Jacksonville, Arkansas.
Right on. What kind of printing do you do at the moment?
Screen printing and direct to film.
Okay, right on. We got a DTG shirt, we got a DTF shirt here with us. We're not gonna tell you which is which. We'd like you to feel both of them. Let us know if you can tell which one's a direct to film, which one's a direct to garment. You up for it?
Yep.
Okay, fantastic. Here's subject one. Feel them both, take a look, and we're gonna have you tell us which one you think is DTG, which one you think is DTF.
Man, I would have to say that this one probably be more DTG. This one probably be more DTF.
Okay, fantastic. How could you tell?
Well, I would say maybe the way the fibers, or it's not infused in the shirt, where it's a little bit more infused in this one, maybe it feels like.
Okay.
Well, this one's more on top.
Fantastic. Do you want the bad news? You were wrong today. You had a mix up. You had a 50-50 chance, but that was great. We're trying to see if you could tell the difference between these different designs. We're just trying to increase the hand feel of both. I know you got a lot to see at the show, James. Thank you so much for stopping by. You got anything you want to sign off with on the cam?
Not really. No, we're good.
Awesome.
Appreciate it.
Thanks a lot. Appreciate it, man.
All right, Jeremy's winning so far. Let's see what we can do, guys.
We found somebody else that wants to take our little challenge here. Jackson, introduce yourself.
Hey man, I'm Jackson Ray from Rock Hill, South Carolina. Rock Hill Screen Printing is my business. I'm the production manager over there. It's a family business. We've been around since 2016. We're doing pretty much primarily plastisol printing when it comes to screen printing. We also do embroidery, some DTF. That's about it for now, but cool. Yeah.
Awesome. Right on. You think you can tell the difference between which one is DTG and which one's DTF here?
Okay, I'm gonna give it a shot, yeah.
Do that one first.
Right here. Okay.
Check them both.
All right. Okay, that's tough. I want to say this one feels more like a DTF right here. That feels more like a film than this. I feel like this has more texture. I don't know, that's kind of a tough one. I'm gonna say this is the DTF. Yeah?
Yep, that is the DTF.
All right, cool.
We're doing our best to try to bring that white underbase up, make it feel a little
You
bit
did a
more
good job.
DTG.
Well, it stumped me at first because I was like, well, obviously it's going to be some kind of a trick question, right? Y'all have done stuff to make this a little bit better of a product.
Yeah.
So that's cool. I like it.
Sweet. Awesome.
Yeah.
I appreciate it, Jackson. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Jeremy.
Hey, enjoy the rest of the show, brother.
Appreciate you, man.
Take care. All right, we got a 3-for-1 this time, guys. This will be a deciding factor. We got our friends here join us at the ISS show. Go ahead and introduce yourselves to the camera.
My name's Steve Mangini from Limitless Manufacturing.
How are we doing? My name is Brett Schweers, also with Limitless Manufacturing.
Miller McCoy, Limitless Manufacturing.
Right on. What kind of printing do you guys focus on?
We do full garments, cut and sew, blank work. We predominantly print for artists in the music industry and fashion industry, streetwear specifically, YouTubers, TikTokers, anybody in the entertainment industry.
Okay, fantastic. We got a quick quiz for you guys. We got a direct-to-garment printed shirt. We got a direct-to-film printed shirt. We're gonna pass them both to you. We'd like you if you could tell us which is which. You guys down?
Yeah, let's
All right, fantastic.
Oh, there you look at this one here.
Okay, a little tough. Answers?
When you guys are ready, tell me which is which.
I got it.
Thinking this is gonna be the DTG.
I agree with that.
I think that's DTG. I think this is DTF. Yeah, it's DTF.
Okay.
Very similar though.
All right, you guys want to hear the bad news?
Oh!
Hey, so
wow.
close. That is
Very nice.
the DTF transfer.
Wow,
Not
actually-
bad, right?
That's
That's
really
actually really
impressive.
good.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Fantastic.
Really?
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Okay,
Very good.
okay.
quality. Almost feels like screen prints.
Stepping up the
Right?
DTF
No, yeah.
game right
It's
here, I
getting
see.
better, guys. Absolutely.
Yeah,
That is nice.
I think that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Thank you guys so
Sure.
much for
Thank
your
you so
time.
much.
Thank you
Appreciate
guys so
it.
much. We appreciate you
Thank
guys.
you.
Safe travels.
you guys.
Enjoy the
Awesome,
show,
guys.
guys.
Enjoy
We'll
the
see you
show.
around. Man, that was a lot of fun. Pretty surprising results, right?
Yeah, I'm honestly kind of surprised. I was worried a little bit going into this.
No, you know what, man? I thought I was gonna have a big advantage coming in, but feeling and seeing what you've done as far as optimizing, knocking out the colors, playing with that white levels, really valuable information. For those in our audience who may be interested in seeing more of your tips and tricks, expertise, insight, where can they find more, Jeremy?
On YouTube, just search DTF Superstore. We have a lot of education content. That's our primary thing, is we want to teach tips and tricks and things like that so that DTF producers can make better stuff.
Absolutely. We're big fans of your work. You're making the industry better, stronger, more educated as a whole. Thank you so much for your time, man.
Thanks, Esteban. I appreciate it, man.
Oh, my
It was
pleasure.
great to meet you in
Hey, enjoy
person.
a great show. Bring me.
Yeah.
There we go. My man. All right, guys. If you have any questions on what we've done in today's video or how to get the ball rolling with DTG, optimizing your DTF, let us know in the comment section down below. If this is your first time on the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to go over and check out Jeremy's channel as well. Subscribe to them. Also, drop a thumbs up, and anything you want to send them off with?
Great content from All American Prints Fly. And like I said, it was great to meet you in person because we sit there and we watch each other online all the time.
Yeah.
It's nice to finally see you in 3 dimensions.
The feeling's mutual, man.
Awesome.
Enjoy the rest of the show.
You too.
Thank you.